bandsaw accuracy test is cut a pretty precise pattern and managed to draw the design that we want to cut. And I've marked where the waist is. So this is waist and this is waist. And by waist I mean I still want to leave that line and demonstrate that line at the end of the demonstration to my instructor. I've got a choice to make. I can lead in on this ray coming in towards the center, or I can cut this line first. But if I cut that, then I lose the ability to have the lead in as it heads in towards. So I'm going to cut this, and the goal here is to cut away the line and go straight towards the very center of the circle. In preparing your work surface here, you want to have as few materials on the work surface as possible. And as I approached the bandsaw, I checked that the blade had stopped if it were running. And if it were running, I made sure to get the attention of the instructor and then stand back until it was stopped. You can also put your hand on the bandsaw deck and you'll feel vibration if it's running. So I've had a look and it stopped and put my work piece down. I've got a little stick here which I can use as a little sacrificial push stick to remove any pieces of wood that might get caught in the throat, or if I feel this becomes jammed, I'm not going to tug at it. Instead I can use my sacrificial stick. This area here is a throat plate and it's a sacrificial guard where the blade runs through, and it's very tempting sometimes to be inside that area, and you must not put your fingers there under any circumstances. Use a push stick or another device to remove bits of wood, or if something's jammed, make sure you call your instructor first. So the height of the guides here is quite high. I can look down underneath it in a comfortable position and then make my cuts, but I can lower this a little bit more. If you do not have a remote adjustment for the height of the guide, then you must do all these adjustments before turning on the bandsaw. Bandsaw, if you want to release your piece of wood, you can. Nothing's going to happen to it. So I've got my hands away and I've left the wood there. If I'm unsure about something, then I should turn off the bandsaw and call the instructor and wait for it to post down. I can commence on these cuts here, but I want to leave that line there. a little push stick and see if I can clear that bit of wood.
Very well done.